analyzing the Q4 and full financial year 2025-26 standalone results for Krishana Phoschem Limited. The board has recommended a final dividend of 5%, which is 50 paise per equity share of face value 10 rupees, subject to shareholder approval. Total income for the current quarter stood at 76,067 lakh rupees, compared to 66,354 lakh in the previous quarter and 47,927 lakh in the same quarter last year. This represents a year-on-year growth of 58.7%. Total expenses for the quarter were 68,820 lakh rupees, compared to 60,684 lakh in the previous quarter. The cost of materials consumed was 31,203 lakh rupees. Profit before tax for the quarter is 7,246 lakh rupees. This is an increase from 5,669 lakh in the previous quarter and 4,697 lakh year-on-year. Net profit after tax reached 8,307 lakh rupees this quarter, showing a strong jump from 3,332 lakh in the previous quarter and 3,285 lakh in the same quarter last year. The year-on-year growth is 152.8%. Earning per share for the current quarter is 13.44 rupees, up significantly from 5.39 rupees in the previous quarter and 5.31 rupees year-on-year. In summary, Krishana Phoschem reported strong growth, with total income up 58.7% and PAT rising 152.8% year-on-year. The company also announced a final dividend of 50 paise per share. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.